To use the contour effect, select the Effects tool and click Contour, then select which objects to apply the effect on. Click the Contour 1 checkbox until it says Outer Only. This option will create an outline surrounding the selected objects, but there will be no inside holes in the contour. This option is often used for decals and contour cutting stickers. Set the distance, check the Keep Original option and click Apply. White contour paths are created around the selected objects. If more than one object is created, you can increase the distance and redo the contour so that you can get one object that surrounds the whole decal. If you select the percent option, the offset values are calculated as percentage of the width or height of the selection, whichever is smallest.